Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to do. That's why I'm spend my life.
What's up, me and more gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Cause how y'all gonna see me? So on today's video, I will be doing a wash and retwist on my daughter's hair. It has been long overdue. So now I'm just using my mister, and it has oil and water in it. It has rose water in it. That's why I'm using it, and I'm just mixing it all over her hair. And I also will be using my Cream of Nature Pure Honey Invigorating Leave-In Conditioner, and I will be mixing that all over her hair as well. I do want to mention that I know my daughter has buildup in her hair. I'm going to be working on that when she get her next retwist. I will be trying to do a detox. Also, this is her first retwist of the year, and she hasn't had a retwist since November. I'm not the ones to have very neat parts, you know. I just wanted to separate it and make sure that the lines are clear and I don't have like straggly pieces going across from one another. And I'm okay with not having neat parts, and plus she's very tender-headed and I have to do what she allows me to do. So this will be my first time using this product. I normally just use this product right here, but I have seen people retwist their locks with it, so I just wanted to give it a try, and it seems to work pretty good. I just want to see how long it holds up. And to be honest, I really am kind of basic when I'm retwisting my hair or my daughter's hair. I normally can just use some water and oil and a little bit of that locking gel. I really don't try to use many products. I just really like to keep it moisturized in oil. Also, if you're new here and if you have forgot, if you're already a sub, my daughter has been locked for 2 years and 3 months. I started her locks with the 2-strand twist method. To be honest, I normally try to like retwist our hair every 2 to 3 months. I try not to wait no longer than 3 months, but we really haven't been going nowhere. So I just been letting us walk around with our hair twisted and our roots, you know, hair just growing and, you know, wherever it's gonna do. So that's that. That's why it's, you know, so thick at the roots. I already have a couple of retwist videos on my page, so if you have any questions or anything you want to know on the way I twist her hair and why I twist it the way I do and why I style it the way I do, it's already a video up on my page. And y'all, my girl hair has really grew. Like, it is just growing. Like, her hair gonna be down the middle of her back before we know it, and I'm just here for it. I just love it. I feel like this is the best decision that I made for, you know, her and myself. So now that I'm finished, I'm just spraying some more of that leave-in conditioner up there. And now that I'm finished, I'm just going to put some of the top up and leave the back down just to keep some of it out her face, because she has real bad eczema in her face, and I don't want it to be irritating her face no more than it already is. So y'all know how I got a relationship with doing baby hairs, y'all. I'm not really good at it, so I try to do a little bit, and it turned out pretty good. Well, that wraps up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.